Hello everyone, and now I'm going to talk about solution to the problem from the homework number 9. It's problem C. Actually, just 30 people did it, and I'm surprised, and that's why I have decided to show you this code. I've done it pretty easily. It's a straightforward solution. So let's start. What we need: import math module, then we input our information, the input as a file in variable data. Also, we create a band dictionary. This is the dictionary where the information about customers of the bank will be. Actually, it will look like name and amount of money. So, for example, Petrov and $450. I don't know. So, in this form. Then we have a huge cycle. So it's for each line in data. First of all, we split every line, and we split it, and we get a couple words like Petrov, deposit, and sum. So, sorry, the operations first, yes. So we split it, and we use variable operation as the name of operation. That's logical. So, and then we have many additions. So they are pretty the same. If operation is to deposit, as you can see, if it equals, we get that name of the variable name is the name of the customer. The sum is the amount of money that he wants to deposit. We take it in integer because it was set in the conditions of the problem. Then, if there is no deposit in this bank for this person, bank creates it. So we create a key in the dictionary bank. So, for example, bank name Petrov and sum. It creates it and puts it sum on this to this name. Else, if there is already a sum, there is money of this person in this bank, then we just add this sum to the sum that has already been there. So we just bank name. The bank name is in this situation it is a sum that has already been there. So sum plus sum. That's it. Then we go to the next operation. This is absolutely the same. So just another operation, withdraw. This part is the same as you can notice. This is the same too. Just the only difference that this is withdraw operation. That's why we have to subtract it. So minus sum and minus sum. let's go further. So the third operation is balance. This is quite different from other operations because we don't have sum here. So if we get this operation, we just have to output the balance of the person. That's why we just need this variable. So if we get this operation and there is no name in the dictionary, we just print error. And in the other way, we just print the amount of money that person has in this bank. And the next operation is transfer. There are more variables than in other operations because we have a person who transfers money, a person who gets this money, and the sum that is transferred. So if a person who is transferring money is not in the bank, we add him to this bank and subtract the money that he transferred to the other person. And if the person is already in the bank, we just transfer the sum and subtract. We transfer the sum to the other person and subtract the sum from this person. And pretty the same with the person that gets this money. If he's not in the bank, we create a place for him, and add the sum. And if he is already in the bank, we just add the sum to his balance. And finally, the last operation is income. Income operations, it multiplies sum that lies in the balance, multiplies it by some kind of percent. So we get a percent, which is here. This is the percent. So we just multiply it and get something like 1. If it's 7%, we get, for example, 1 and 700. I know, just 7%. So we compute it, and for person, for each person in bank, yes, this operation influences each person. So for each person which balance is greater than 0, this operation is applied. And we use this command just to simplify computations, so we'll have just 2 signs after the decimal point. So we just multiply the sum, the balance of the person, and the percent, and we get the result, and we just floor it, so it gets smaller. So for example, if we got something like that, it will be this number. So that's all. I hope that you really understood everything and enjoyed. Goodbye.